Friends, our today topic is how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in a slab. Whenever you plan for slab casting, you have need these major things: cement, sand and aggregates. Then you have to calculate the quantity. And how can you calculate without knowing? So let's we start without letting. Firstly, we see the size of slab: 30 meter by 10 meter in width and 125 mm in thickness, and our ratio is 1:1:2. Given data, we see length is equal to 30 meter, total width 10 meter, thickness 0.125 meter, which is given in mm. Volume of wet concrete: for volume you know that LBH, length, width into height, we got the value 37.5 m3. Volume of dry concrete: volume of dry concrete is equals to wet volume into 1.54. 1.54 is the factor of safety of for dry concrete calculation. We got the value 57.75 m3, total dry volume of concrete. Now we have to calculate the separate volume of cement, sand and aggregate. Now volume of material is equals to ratio of material divided by sum of ratio into total volume of concrete. So we put the value ratio of material. We see the ratio of cement is equals to 1 divided by sum of ratio 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 4 into total volume of concrete 57.75. We got the value 14.43 m3. Volume of 1 bag cement we know 0.0347 m3. Now we have to change 14.43 m3 cement into cement bag. Then we divide the total volume of cement by 1 bag of cement volume. We got the value 416 bag of cement we required for the casting of this slab 30 meter by 10 meter. Now volume of sand is equals to 1 by 4 into 57.75. We got the value 14.43 m3. Now we same procedure for volume of aggregate is equals to ratio of material. Ratio of material is 2 divided by 4 into total volume of concrete. We got the value 28.87 m3 of concrete. Thank you.